In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off bringing devices together on iPhone. Alright, let's get started. I'm starting here on the home screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app on my iPhone. Once Settings is open, I'll scroll down a bit and tap on General, since the AirDrop settings we need are located there. Now that I'm inside General, I'm going to scroll until I see AirDrop and tap on it. This is where you can control how your iPhone shares and receives files with other nearby Apple devices. Inside AirDrop, there's an option called Bringing Devices Together. To turn it off, all you have to do is tap the toggle next to it. Once it's off, your iPhone won't automatically bring devices together for quick sharing, which can help prevent accidental AirDrop requests or interruptions. And that's it. Once the toggle is off, you're done. You can simply back out of settings, and your iPhone will remember this setting going forward. This is a quick and easy way to have a little more control over AirDrop and how your device interacts with others nearby. And there you have it, you've successfully turned off bringing devices together on your iPhone.